Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best bicycle electric motor wheel in this video? I will show you the top 5 best bicycle electric motor wheel to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is 3000W Electric Bicycle Conversion Kit. Specifications: brand name, Ebike. Motor type, brushless non-gear hub motor. Wattage, 400 watts. Voltage, 48 volts. Speed, 55 to 70 kilometers per hour. Motor wattage, 3000 watts. RPM, 579 to 596 RPM electric wheel motor. Torque, 91 to 101 Nm Ebike kit Bicicleta Electrica. Rear fork size, 170, 190 millimeters. Wheel size 20 inch 24, 26. Brake system, disc brake. Efficiency, more than 83%. Number 4 is Ebike Electric Bicycle Kit. Specifications: brand name, Ebike. Rated voltage, 72 volts. Rated power, 3000 watts. Construction, gearless. Open size, 135 millimeters. Rated speed, 70 to 75 kilometers per hour. Max RPM, 640 RPM. Max torque, 120 N. Hall sensor, double. Brake type, disc brake. Noise grade, 55 dB. Efficiency, 80%. Weight, about 9.5 kilograms. As the item number 3 we've selected, electric bike front rear wheel hub motor. Specifications: brand name, Ray. Motor type, brushless gear hub motor. Wattage, 301 to 400 watts. Design brushless. Voltage, 36 volts. Voltage, DC 36 volts to 48 volts. Power, 350 watts to 500 watts. Installation: front rear wheel hub motor. Size 20 inch 24, 26, 27.5, 28, 29, 700C. Number 2 is Ebike Electric Bicycle Kit. Specifications: brand name, Ebike. Rated voltage, 52 volts. Rated power, 2000 watts. Rated speed, 60 to 65 kilometers per hour. Open size, 140 millimeters. Max torque, 81 N. Max RPM, 600 RPM. Noise grade, 55 dB. Construction, gearless. Brake type, disc brake. Hall sensor, single. Efficiency, 80%. Weight, about 7.5 kilograms. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Bafang front rear hub motor. Specifications: brand name, Bafang. Bafang model, G020. Wattage, 400 watts. Design brushless. Voltage, 48 volts. Motor, brushless gear hub motor. Origin, mainland China.